Santa baby, please hurry, hurry, hurry.
Jolly old saint.
Santa baby, he takes care of my worries.
Jolly old.
Santa baby, please hurry down my chimney
Jolly old
tonight.
saint.
Santa baby,
Jolly old
please
saint.
hurry, hurry, hurry.
Jolly old saint.
Music by Chris Hayes.
What is up, Double L Squad? It's your girl Brian and I'm back at it with another video. So I just wanted to start by saying Merry Christmas to everyone and I hope you all have a wonderful New Year. Today's video is going to be about me opening up my Christmas gifts. Okay, so we're going to start with the gift that I got from my wonderful nephew. He wrote me a card. On the front it says, "Let it snow." It says, "To Auntie from Tazavion." This is what it looks like on the inside. And it says, "Dear Auntie, I love you so much I can eat you. You always make me happy. You always do fun things with me. And you always put me in your videos too. I'm writing a letter to you and I hope you like it. You are my favorite auntie in the world. And you sometimes let me play on your phone. Last, what I want to say is I love you no matter what you do. And I will always love to play with you and be a friend to you." Oh. And then he said, "Love, Tazavion." And at the bottom of the picture, he put me in red because he said that I'm always at work, and then red is the color of my coat. So I just thought that was cute. And he wrote us holding hands. He is so sweet. Alright, so next I guess we'll go ahead and show the jewelry. I am going to do a close-up at the end of the video, so just for right now, deal with it. If you can't see it, it's okay. So this first set is from my mom, of course. It's an earring and necklace set. This is actually two necklaces together. Alright, so next I have a bracelet. It's from New York & Company. You guys can't see it right now, but like I said, I'll do a close-up at the end. It has a watch on it, a heart, and then right here it says New York & Company, and then it has like a little diamond. And on these things right here is rhinestones, and it's just a brown and gold bracelet. Alright, so next is a box. And it is a necklace. It's gold and it has pink rhinestones going down it. And on the side it says love, and then it says harmony on the other side. So this is really pretty. Alright, so next is a bracelet, and it goes on like this. Then we have another box. I think this already opened. Yeah. So this comes with two necklaces. This is the first one, and I actually have on the second one. I'm going to show you guys in a second up close. Put that right there. Alright, so now we're going to get into the clothes. So this first outfit I already wore. Actually, I wore it yesterday to church. It's a top and bottom from New York & Company. And what I love about this shirt is that going down the buttons is like glittery rhinestones. So I really like that. And the pants that goes with it, they're burgundy. Just some cute slacks. Alright, next is a shirt, and it's from Belk. It's just white with black lines going down, and it's really flowy, and I like that about shirts because they don't like hug up on me and they don't look really tight and disgusting. So I really love shirts like this, thanks to my mom. Next is an outfit, but you're able to wear it by itself, which is how I'm going to be wearing it actually. It's a shirt slash dress. I guess it's, you know, optional how you choose to wear it. And on the side, these are the sleeves. So once again, this is what it looks like. And these are the pants that goes to it. On the side, they have a black strip. And at the bottom, they're skinny. So these would be really pretty with like booty heels. Like the heels that stop at your ankle. These would be really pretty with those. These you guys I've already seen in my intro video. They're from New York & Company, and these are just really pretty, and I like to wear them around the house. These came from my mom, of course. Alright, so another thing that I got is sheet covers. They're the hotel style 1100 thread count sheet. 1100 thread count sheet set. Oh, that's a tongue twister. But these are the sheets that I got for my queen size bed. And last but not least, I got Victoria's Secret. So the scent that I got, I have the perfume and the lotion. Girl's favorite. It is the frosted fragrance. This is as well. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells so good. Alright. Oh, I almost forgot. I know I was going to forget it. And it's kind of heavy, so I don't know how this is going to work. My mom got me a suitcase. Ugh. This is what it looks like. I'll probably have to sit it at the back so you guys can be able to tell. But yeah, I don't know if you can see it right now because I can't see in the camera. But this is my suitcase. Oh. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press that notification bell so you can know when I post more videos. Bye guys!